our job is to give as many names to these as we can with using our chart to help us. So the first thing that we have to ask ourselves, is it a quadrilateral? So, does this shape have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Does this shape have 4 angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. So is that a quadrilateral? Yes. So we got to put the word quadrilateral. So let's put it down here. So this is a quadrilateral. So this shape is a quadrilateral. All right, so let's look to all of our other things. Is it a parallelogram? Does it have 2 sides, 2 pairs of parallel sides? No, it only has 1 side of parallel lines. These 2 are not parallel, so it is not a parallelogram. Now let's check with the square. 2 pairs of parallel lines. Does it have 2 pairs of parallel lines? Nope, we've already decided that, so it can't be a square. 2 pairs of parallel sides. We've already answered that, so it can't be a rhombus. Okay, at least 1 pair of parallel sides. Does it have at least 1 pair? Yes. So then this could also be called a trapezoid. Okay, we have one more to check. So rectangle, 2 pairs of parallel lines. Does it have 2 pairs of parallel lines? No. So the only 2 names that this shape could be called is a quadrilateral and a trapezoid. Now let's go over here to our next one. So let's go ahead and we're going to work through all the boxes to see how many names we can give it. Is it a quadrilateral? Does it have 4 sides? Yes. Does it have 4 angles? Yes. Okay, so this can be a quadrilateral. All right, so let's go to the next one. Parallelogram. Does it have 2 pairs of parallel sides? There's a pair of parallel. Here's a pair of parallel. Yes, so we need to keep going. Does it have 2 pairs of sides with equal lengths? Do these have equal lengths? Yeah. Do those have equal lengths? Yeah. So can that be a parallelogram? Mm-hmm. Parallelogram. All right, let's keep going. Square. 2 pairs of parallel lines. Yes. 4 sides of equal length. Are they all equal? Yes. 4 right angles. Yes. So that is also a square. All right, so now let's go to the rhombus. 2 pairs of parallel sides. Yes. So those 2 and those 2. 4 sides of equal length. Yes. So it's also a rhombus. All right, let's keep going. A trapezoid. At least 1 pair of parallel sides. Do we have at least 1 pair of parallel sides? Yeah, so it can be called a trapezoid too. All right, and the last one. 2 pairs of parallel lines. Yes. 2 pairs of lines with equal length. So do they have different ones? No, it only has 4 of the same, doesn't it? So can this be a rectangle? No. Let's go back here to parallelogram then. If this has 2 pairs of sides with equal length, ooh, I think we mixed up on that one. No, because they're all the same, don't they? So we have to change this. This is not a parallelogram because it doesn't have 2 different sides. They're all the same. So then it can't be a rectangle either. So we had to go back and fix that one. So when we're looking at this, it needs to have those kind of lines, the 2 different ones, because these are longer. Those are longer. So this one has Yeah, because this one doesn't have 4 pairs. It has 2 pairs, 2 sets of lines. And that one only had 1 set of lines that are parallel. Alright, so that when you're going through, you kind of have to think a little bit hard as you're judging whether or not that name can be fit into that group or category of quadrilaterals. So they're both quadrilaterals. They're both trapezoids. But this one is a square and it's also a rhombus. So on 10.4, you're going to be working on sorting and classifying and naming all the different shapes that we have. All right, please let me know if you have any questions. This is the part that might get a little tricky.